From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Ben Pavier. In the 2017 state elections, a third of lawmakers running for office didn't have any competition. Redistricting reform advocates say that the only way to fix the problem is to turn the process over to an independent commission. Today, they got a celebrity boost from former California Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger, who pushed redistricting reform there.
You got to get rid of this fixed political system and get rid of gerrymandering and take it out of the hands of the politician.
The General Assembly is currently considering two constitutional amendments that would create redistricting commissions, one from House Republicans and another bipartisan plan from the Senate. Brian Cannon heads the redistricting advocacy group, One Virginia 2021.
The Senate plan is better than the House plan right now. I know they're still working on it, but the Senate plan has bipartisan appointees, it's got citizens involved, it's got checks and balances that stop partisan gerrymandering.
Cannon says the House proposal gives lawmakers too much power over the maps, but Republican delegates say lawmakers deserve a seat at the table. Lawmakers from the House and Senate will likely meet next week to hammer out a compromise. Any amendment they pass will need to be approved again next year before it goes to voters. For Assembly 19, I'm Ben Pavier.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.